Alright, super quick update on XRP. So in the last video for XRP, we outlined this big bull flag. We did outline that, we did break below the bottom of the bull flag. So in my opinion, I said that we were going to be coming down about to the bottom of here, which is a 34% drop. A more conservative target that I also outlined would be a 30% drop. So just where I get these targets from, number one, the conservative target is the bottom of these wicks down here, and the more bearish target all the way down here is the bottom of these wicks down here. So if I show you, I've got this big fib from the top to the bottom. This is basically where the bottom is. So these levels down here is where I get this bearish price target from. In my opinion, we are getting ready to dump down here. So when I did outline this bearish breakdown, it was a 29% drop that we were estimating. So far, we came down 20%, broke back up, had a rejection once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times. So we've had 5 rejections now off this trend line. If we extend this out, you can see, it's like a bull flag that failed, or a bullish pennant rather. And if we extend this this support or resistance out, we have been rejected from it multiple times. So what I'm looking for now is another drop for XRP. I think people are getting bored of this. Obviously there are a lot of people in the XRP community that will probably hold this even if it goes down to like a penny. I'm not the biggest fan of this, mainly because the chart is just not nice. If I come over to the weekly, you can see XRP is literally, I don't cover any other cryptos that didn't make new all-time highs in the last bull market. XRP saw all of its euphoria here. It went up to like $3, and then in this bull market, we only went up to like $2. Like, in my opinion, people are kind of done with this. The RSI is just decreasing over time. It is losing strength. The money flow is basically flat. It doesn't seem like people are trading this. The volume is somewhat increasing right now. So I mean, it's really pipsqueak volume right now. So nothing too much to kind of take to the bank, but all of the volume that we are getting, like 80% of the volume, is all selling volume. So in my opinion, it does not look good. Coming back over to the daily, I mean, like I said, we do have this steep resistance, all-time high here, and then when we did have the bull market, last year, this year, we put in all-time, or it wasn't an all-time high, but in this market, it was an all-time high that didn't reach the, Big Daddy all-time high. Then we had a lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and just recently, in the past couple of weeks, we put in another lower high. So could this right here be another lower high? Could we be doing something like this and getting ready for another big drop before we do have another fake out, which is another lower high? In my opinion, that is the most likely scenario. Now, if I'm wrong, do bear in mind I don't hold this coin at all, and I never will. It was like the first crypto that I ever purchased, but after reading the white paper, I'm no longer a fan on this, so I won't be purchasing it. But if I am wrong about this, I would at least need to see a break above the 200-day moving average. I should probably specify, I am a trader, so while I say I wouldn't purchase this on spot, I do have, or at least DaVinci J15 has a saying that I go with: don't love it, don't hate it, trade it. So even though I'm not a fan of this token, or coin rather, if we did break out of the 95-cent level, I do think we could at least have a nice pump up to 123. Now, that is a massive hypothetical, because if we do just look at the trajectory of the, the bull run that we had, or quote-unquote bull run, I mean, it was a lower high, then in my opinion, the trajectory is still very much to the downside. XRP has been downtrending for how long now? Let's find out. If we come over, if we go over to the monthly, actually, we'll get a better view if we take a price chart. So since here, for the past 50 months, so what is this? 1520. If we divide that, 1520 divided by 365. So for the past 4.1 years, XRP's been in a downtrend. In my opinion, there's People are getting bored of XRP. People are moving on to Dogecoins. Dogecoins are the new shit coins. People want to buy Dogelon, Mars, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin. And I reckon next market cycle will be the same. I mean, eventually people are going to get bored of Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and all that, and they're going to move on to another shitcoin. So, you know, no hate to you if you're holding XRP. You know, I hope you make money on this. But in my opinion, you know, like I said, I don't hold this coin, so I am able to give you my objective opinion on this. And in my objective opinion, we've got selling volume coming in, RSI is heading down. A tiny bit of money flowing in, but you know, really nothing special at all. I do believe that we are going to be setting up for a dump, and like I said, if I am wrong, we would at least need to break above the top of this red box, which kind of lines up to 95 cents. So until we break 95 cents, I am macro bearish on this coin. In the micro term, I am bearish as well, and I do think that we're going to be coming down to 54 cents. So that's all I see for XRP. Once again, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.